Unfold the trampoline by kneeling on one side for support and flipping the other side away until the trampoline snaps into a flat position. Take the M5x38 shoulder bolt and slide it through the hole. Secure it with the M5 nylock nut on the other side. A Phillips head screwdriver and a wrench will be needed to fully tighten these pieces. Two sides of the trampoline will have hinges with spots for shoulder bolts. Latch the elastic cord in the fabric skirt over the 5 threaded posts perpendicular to the circle frame. Pull the fabric skirt around the metal circle frame. Next, screw on the 5 legs onto the circular frame and ensure they are fully tightened by hand. Flip the trampoline over and assemble the handlebar arms in the 2 front holes in the upright position. Push in the pin at the bottom and slide them down until they click into place. Slide the handlebar onto the arms and secure them on both sides using the M4x9 screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. To fold the handle, push in the handlebar arm pins on the underside of the trampoline and lift the arms out. Fold the arms flat over the top of the trampoline.